Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a charming triangle table. We can click this polygon, then we can type 3 of the side. So then I'm sorry, we can type 3 and enter. So okay, so then we can make this where for any size anyway. It's just for example to make a basic modeling, and then so we can push it to the upper position. Okay, just like this. So then we can make it group anyway, and then we can rotate it by through the green axis. Okay, we can type 90 degree. So then we can adjust it. Sorry, I'm sorry, we can adjust it anyway or any size. And move and burst control to duplicate it, and then so we can make the another triangle on this position anyway. We can use protector. Okay, so then we can use a protector also in here, and then we can set the another we can set the any size of this triangle, unique triangle table over there. Okay, so then we can delete it, and then we can push it to the another side anyway. Okay, and then we can offset it inside, and we can just push it to the back. Okay, and then we can make group and maybe we can make the another support to make it more stable than before anyway. Okay, just like this. So then we can make the another material. Maybe we can use the wood, this wood material. Okay, I think it's enough. It will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.